All the trees are gardens, some trees are fruits. So all the trees are gardens. Tree circle is completely inside the garden circle. Done. Next, some trees are fruits. Guys, this is a point to remember actually. Some trees are fruits means actually trees is inside the gardens, right? So fruits can be inside the gardens and the diagram can be like this or otherwise. Trees are inside gardens means trees are inside gardens and some trees are fruits. The second statement, some trees are fruits means the fruit circle can be like this also. Okay. I'll explain it once again. Please check it carefully. Both the diagrams are the same. Both the diagrams are true. Without disturbing the true meaning of the statements, both diagrams are true. Why? Because all the trees are gardens means tree circle will lie completely inside the garden circle. That is super fine with it. Okay. And the next statements, some trees are fruits. Some trees are fruits means that fruit circle can be inside the garden circle or can be having some part of intersection with the tree circle and lie half of the halfway out of the gardens. Okay, did you got the point, guys? Yes or no? Because both the ways of representation is correct. If you represented in the first way, think why not we can represent in the second way. Okay, as I told you, for the for two statements there are many possible diagrams to answer. When more number of statements are there, it will be little tricky to represent the diagrams, guys, but we have a way to answer the question. Here I just want to tell you that both the ways are correct. If some of the students are thinking that the first is correct and if some are thinking that why not the first, like why not the second one or some other case, I can help you with that. Both the diagrams are perfectly true because we don't have any information in the statement about the relation between these fruits and gardens. They have given for trees gardens and trees fruits. As trees is the common thing for gardens and fruits, fruits can be completely related inside the gardens, fruits can be some part out of the gardens. Okay, so we are clueless regarding the relation between fruits and gardens. It can be inside completely, it can be having some relation to some extent. Okay. Now check which of the conclusions is true. Some trees are fruits. Some trees are fruits means that is absolutely true, right? Because all the trees are fruit. Sorry, one second. Some trees are fruits means that is true here. No need to check also. Whatever the statements they have given, the same conclusion they have given. Some trees are fruits, some trees are fruits. Okay. Even the diagram is also the saying that some trees are fruits. And guys, I forgot to tell you one thing. Whenever you have more than one possible diagram, whatever the conclusion that you are taking, that conclusion will be true if that conclusion is followed by both the diagrams. If only one diagram is accepting the conclusion and other diagram is not accepting the conclusion, then that conclusion cannot be true. Okay. I'm repeating this point once again. Please check for that, guys. If you have more than one possible diagram for any statement, then you need to consider the conclusion to be true if only the conclusion is followed by both the diagrams. If one of the diagram is saying that it is possible and the other diagram is saying that it is not possible, then you need to neglect that conclusion. Okay, you should not count on that conclusion. Here, whatever the statement they have given, the same statement they have given in conclusion. So, conclusion 1 follows. Next, conclusion 2. All the gardens are fruits. All the gardens are fruits means garden circle should lie completely inside the fruit circle. That is false in the first diagram and second diagram. So, only conclusion 1 follows. You need to pick for one. One is given for A. So, answer is option A. Rupesh, superb Rupesh. Got the point, guys? Yes or no? The only thing here you need to keep it in your mind is when you're drawing the diagram, some students can draw fruits inside the gardens. Some students can draw with some intersection part of gardens and fruits. Okay. If you think that which way is correct, I can tell you that both are correct because you have no information regarding the relation between fruits and gardens in the question. You can consider in any way possible. But while solving the conclusions, whatever the conclusion you are taking, that should be true in both the diagrams. Then only you can take that it is to be true. Clear, guys? If yes, please raise the hand. Any doubts, you can share it here in the chat box. Some birds are animals. That means this is bird circle and this is animal circle. Some birds are animals means there is some relation or connection between birds and animals. Next, all the birds are reptiles. Already bird circle is there. All the birds are reptiles means represent this bird's circle completely inside the reptile circle. Okay. This is the diagrammatic representation of the statements, guys. Some birds are animals means birds and animals are having some intersection. All the birds are reptiles means whatever the bird circle is there, that bird circle you need to keep that inside the reptile circle. Okay. Conclusion. What is the first conclusion? All the reptiles are birds. Guys, all the reptiles are birds means reptile circle should lie completely inside the bird's circle. Okay. Can you see reptiles inside the bird circle in the diagram? No. That means conclusion one false. Next. Some reptiles are animals. Absolutely true, right? Why? Because this part of reptiles are having relation with animal circle. Some reptiles are animals means the part of reptiles which are having intersection with animals are the ones which will come under some reptiles are animals. Okay. Whatever the intersection part that I have highlighted over there, that part is common for both reptile circle and then animal circle. So I can tell you that second conclusion is true. Option B, second conclusion is true. Because only 2 follows, you need to pick for 2. 2 is given for B, so option B is the correct one. Again, 186 Rupesh and 164 Jeff. Superb, guys. Check for the next question. Try this question fast, fast. Solve the question and share the answer options, guys. Answer options. Okay. Tarun, Rupesh, 164 Jeff. Yes, guys. Check for the explanation of the question. All the flowers are clips. All the flowers are clips means flower circle should lie completely inside the clip circle. Okay. Next, some clouds are clips. This is clips, right? Write it as clips. Some clouds are clips. Guys, here also, some clouds are clips means you can draw like this, saying some clouds are clips, or otherwise you can take the intersection part of flowers. Okay. All the flowers are clips means you're drawing like this, all the flowers are clips. Next, if you want to draw some clouds are clips, you can take this intersection part of flowers and represent some clouds are clips. Okay. Both the diagrams are true, guys. I'll explain it once again. Please check for that. All the flowers are clips means flowers should be inside the clip circle. That is done perfectly. Next, some clouds are clips means some part of clouds are clips. Okay. While drawing the relation between clips and clouds, you can consider flowers and you cannot consider flowers. Okay. It is both the ways are same, guys. It is just not clear in the question or not clear in the statements, I could say. Some clouds are clips means maybe flowers can have intersection, may not they have intersection. Okay, both the diagrams are true, but whatever the statements that you're taking, the statements to be true in both the diagrams, then only we can say that they are following. Okay, now here, some clips are clouds. Some clips are clouds means that is absolutely true, because some clouds are clips means some clips are clouds is absolutely true. And of course, you can see that in the diagram as well. Some clouds are clips, the intersection part. First conclusion is absolutely true. Next, second one. Some flowers are clouds. Some flowers are clouds is false here in this diagram. Second conclusion. And some flowers are clouds is true here in this diagram. The second conclusion. Okay. I have told you already, guys, whenever you have more than one possible diagram for a question, the conclusion that you are taking, it should be true in both the possible diagrams. Then only you can consider the conclusion to be true. Otherwise, you can neglect it. The second conclusion is saying that there is no relation between flowers and clouds. And first conclusion is saying that there is relation between flowers and clouds. So you can't consider that with imagination. It should be clearly depicted from the statements. So as per the statement information, in statements, I can't see flower and cloud relation, guys. So flower and cloud may have relation like second diagram, may not have relation like first diagram. As we are not sure that from the statements, we can't say that that is true. So first conclusion only follows. That means option A is the answer for the question. Option A is the answer for the question. Is that clear, guys? I hope now it is clear to you why I have taken the second conclusion to be wrong. Because in the statements, if you see, there is no clear cut information for flowers and clouds. Okay, and even if you draw the diagram, you can draw the diagram having relation with flowers and clouds, not having relation with flowers and clouds. Okay, yeah, check for the next one. All the ranks are steps, no rank is no. Draw the diagram, guys. All the ranks are steps. All the ranks are steps means rank circle is completely inside the steps circle. Done. No rank is no. No rank is no means inside, and then snow is not having relation. Okay, guys, if inside circle is not having relation with the snow, I can't say that outside circle is not also not having. Okay, the diagram can be like this also. All the ranks are steps means you can draw like this. All the ranks are steps, and now no rank is a snow means rank and snow may not have relation, but this steps and snow may have relation. Okay, all that I want to tell you is if inside thing is not having any relation, outside thing may have relation, may not have relation. That is outer circle, right, which is exactly free from the inside ones. So all the ranks are steps means ranks must be kept inside the step circle. Next, no rank is a snow means for rank and snow there is no relation. Okay, if that is the case, rank and snow they don't have any relation, but this steps and snow may have relation, may not have relation. Okay, so what's the first conclusion, guys? Conclusion one, some steps are snow. Some steps are snow. It is not at all possible, right? There is no relation between step and snow in the first one, and there is some relation between step and snow in the second one. Okay, so this information is not provided in the statements, guys. Based on the assumption and expectation, we have drawn the relation between steps and snow. May have relation, may not have relation. Some steps are snows means it's not clear from the statements. It can be true if it is the second diagram. It can be false if it is the first diagram. Okay, so some steps are snow is not clear from the statements. I can't say that that conclusion is true. Okay, now check for the next one. No snow is rank. No snow is rank. What is the meaning of no snow is rank? No snow is rank means there is no relation between snow and rank. That is perfectly true. Why? Because no rank is a snow means the same thing they have given in the statements, guys. Now they are just taking in the reverse order. No snow is a rank. That means it's exactly true. The second conclusion is perfectly true. So second conclusion is true. You need to pick 2. 2 is given in option B. So option B is the answer for the question. Tarun, Rupesh, and Jeff. Superb, guys. I hope with this 10 questions of solving, you got a basic idea. How can you draw the diagrams of given statements and check the conclusion? So if you see where there is a negative statement, there is negative representation of diagram, and there is a possibility that more than one possible diagrams you can get from for the statement. When you're solving for positive meaning all and some, maximum you can get only one possible diagram and you can sort it out easily from the information, guys. Okay. So there are few more models.